Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be completely happy in your homes. Dear students, this pandemic, a deadly virus born from the Wuhan city of China, considered to be born from the Wuhan city of China, is really putting life in danger. Day in and day out, we watch the number of cases are increasing, its infection rate is increasing, and death rate is also showing slight increase. So in these days of pandemic, we have to keep the precautionary measures in mind while doing the routine business of the life. Life is of first importance and should be given first preference over the rest of the things. Dear students, your examinations are also approaching. Better is to be in home isolation, prepare the things for the coming examinations, and in home isolation you can also keep this deadly virus at bay because your physical contacts would be minimized. Dear students of class 10th, today we are dealing with your important poem, that's Miraculous, written by Whitman. And this is the important poem that is asked in the board examinations, and today we are discussing its central idea. Dear students, people generally call unexpected and surprising and supernatural events as miraculous. But here in the poem, Whitman draws or says something else about these miracles. According to Whitman, miracles happen all the time around us, and I'm surprised why people are waiting miracles to happen, because miracles happen all the time. A city or, or any other place is full of miracles. The Whitman says that why people are surprised of miracles and admire them. All the activities related to life are miraculous, and nature itself is the emblem of miracles. The activities of honeybee, the rising of sun, twinkling of stars, and the sunset, all these things are miraculous before the Whitman. So the Whitman, having a different thought about the miracles. Their students, no doubt, we often consider miracles some unexpected or supernatural events. For example, if a car hits a person so hard, but in the end a person saves his life, or he is finally saved and he finally remains okay, in local language we called it miracle has happened, or something that extraordinary takes place all of a sudden, we called it miracle. Dear students, This poem starts with why and who makes more miracles. So, concluding the fact, the white man draws a completely different picture of the miracles. He is surprised why people admire miracles and why they wait miracles to be happened. Miracles happen all the time around us, and they should not be admired. And when miracles happen, people should not get surprised over them. So the miracles before the vitamin are all the activities that honeybee is busy in in his in its own work. The sun rises, the sun sets, stars twinkle, and what is the routine of the life is miracle. But what people think about the miracles is not a miracle before Whitman. He says all the things, all the activities, all what is going on the earth is a miracle. And there is no definite time for miracle to happen. All the times these miracles are happening. So it is enough for today, or it is what the central idea of the poem says. But before leaving the class, I am advising you to see these things on your English textbook or English reference book and read its Urdu translation so that you may grasp the things well, or you will get the full comprehension of this poem or central idea of the poem Miracles. But before leaving the class, I am advising you do remain inside your homes, stick to the books so that you can crack the coming examinations with a good percentage of marks and also can defeat the COVID 19 infection when you remain inside your homes and where your physical contacts would be least. Your career is at stake and you have to work hard, you have to rely or depend on self studies. Virtual mode is helping you, no doubt, but the physical classroom teaching is no more alive. Thanks, be well.